5 easy tips to bring you fast flu relief. Take a warm shower. Besides getting you clean, a warm shower can help moisture and thin the mucus in your sinuses. Keep the bathroom door closed to create your own personal sauna. Drink more water. Don't get dehydrated. Aim for drinking at least 64 ounces of liquid each day. Water is best, but other liquids work as well. Liquids can also help to thin the mucus and ease your congestion. Avoid drinks that dry you out, such as alcohol, coffee, or caffeinated tea. Eat some soup. Chicken soup really might be the ticket to helping you get better. Go for the kind with lots of spices, which can help to thin out the mucus buildup. Chicken soup can also increase the white blood cells in your immune system, which work to fight off diseases. Rest. It is hard, but try to get as much rest as you can when you're sick. Sleep can give your immune system a boost, and it also gives your body the time it needs to bounce back. Take antivirals. When you have the first signs of the flu, call your doctor to see if antiviral drugs can be prescribed. When taken within 48 hours of the first flu symptoms, these drugs can help to significantly shorten the duration of your illness.